Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another review video. Today we are reviewing the Bagsmart Lunchbox. I got this off the TikTok shop, but they sell them on Amazon too and from the website, so I will link them for you. This is the pink color. All right, so let's go ahead and do a little lunchbox tour. It has pockets on both sides. They are small pockets. You can't like put a whole water bottle or anything, but maybe like gum or hand sanitizer. Then they have this front pocket, which I plan on using for utensils and straws. It has this plushy handle. All the Bagsmart stuff is like super cushy. And then if you don't want to carry it with a handle, it also has a adjustable strap for you to use as well. Okay, now let's get into the actual lunchbox. It's humongous, guys. Okay, so I have these snack containers. I plan on using this lunchbox for sporting events. So I have this 2 snack containers, and I also have an Omi box. Let me grab it. I have an Omi box. So you can see that the snack containers fit in there and you can close it. And I am always getting questions over on TikTok, what lunchboxes fit the Omi? Well, if you were gonna send your kids to school with this behemoth of a lunchbox, the Omi box does fit with plenty of room to put stuff over it. For the purposes of this video, I'm gonna have these snack boxes. There is a netting for a fork, napkin, anything else you need. And then there's an additional compartment here on the top. And this one is like still pretty big. I put some drinks in there the other day. So you can put like sodas, water bottles. It's big enough for both. I think I actually saw somebody say that they could, yep, you can even fit your Awala in there. Like that is how big it is. You can put in a wallet in there and still have room for snacks. So it is a really, really decent size. I was trying to see, let me open the bottom, if you can actually fit one of the snack containers up there. I bet you could. So if you guys are looking for a cute but very large lunchbox, especially if you're like a teacher and you're gonna be gone all day, or a nurse and you're gonna be gone all day, yeah, check that out. And you still have room for a drink. Yeah. And then if your kids are in like after school sports and you need to send them with a big lunchbox with extra snacks, definitely check out the Bagsmart one. They have pink, I think like an off-white color, and black. But there you go, guys. This is what it looks like. Super cute. I love it. Anyways, if you guys want to check it out, like I said earlier, I will link it down in the description box and in the comments. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like my review videos. I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye!